Okay, so this is a series of short videos for configuring internal and external fire doors in CalWin. So this one's just going to be on paints and finishing and facings and lippings. So I touched on lippings before, but we can configure concealed and exposed lippings here, and also what type they are, what timber they are, whether or not they're different sizes on different sides of the door. And we can separate out the frame finish to the door finish. So here we've got a door ready to be painted and a primed paint for the frame, but we can have some default colours, sizes, and we will show that on the drawing. You can also have a RAL colour of your choosing and just type the number in, and CalWin will put the colour in for you. If you're going to paint the door, you can choose again from that list of colours, or just type in your own colour. So in this situation here, I'll just type in put in a RAL code. There we go. So got the choice of internal and external colours being equal, yes or no. If I say no, then I'm going to get another selection for the door, and I could go with stop for that. So in this situation we're painting the door, and if I undo that and put a selection there, we can also, instead of doing that, pop a veneer on inside and outside, again different if we want to, and those parts are configured and taken from a veneer of a particular size if required, costed, etc, etc. Again, visual representation of what's happening. If you give us some images, then we can use those. Okay, thank you.